What's up, everyone? Dan Tortora here at Wake Up Call, back inside the kitchen of Brian's Landing on 6523 East Seneca Turnpike in Jamesville, New York. Your place to come every single season, including while it's nice and sunny outside and starting to cool down a little bit. And speaking of cool, we're heading to the ocean, and we're bringing in that Lobster Crab Stuffed Flounder with the head chef, Tom McNerney, showing us how to make it. Tom, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Doing very well. So why did we choose this today?
It's been one of our more popular entrees recently, and just kind of wanted to showcase it. But yeah, it's been a bit of a star, so.
I will say this, Tom never says anything to me before I get into the kitchen, and then he tells me what we're having, and it's like he reads my brain. So seafood is one of my favorite things. I know a lot of you love it. We're about to see how it gets done here in the kitchen at Brian's Landing.
Cool. So we're going to start with our flounder fillets. So we'll do 2, then top it with our house seasoning, and then our lobster crab mix on top. Then, just before it goes in the oven, some butter. So we're going to start one of our sides now. So for the sauce for the flounder, we're going to do a lemon and white wine sauce that gets poured right over the top. So we'll start with a little bit of butter, touch of garlic, and some lemon.
You're ready.
Alright, so the butter's melted, garlic's cooked, we add our white wine. Alright, so our wine's reduced. I'm going to add a stick of butter and a little bit of salt and pepper. That'll complete our sauce. Got our sauce done, and now we're going to do the other side, which is an herb orzo. So we'll start with a little bit of butter, just a touch. Then some Italian herbs. We'll just basically let the butter melt. So our butter's melted. Add just a touch of cream. Let that bubble up a little bit. It won't take long. Then add our orzo to the pan. Finish it with a little bit of parm, salt and pepper, now we're just waiting on the flounder. So for the plating, we'll take our orzo, right in the middle, and our flounder.
is,
So now for the taste test. Try to get a little bit of all of it in there.
Straight out of the oven here.
Wow. It's really good. The flounder is like super fresh, light, flaky, moist, and yeah, it comes together really well. It's a great dish.
All right, it is time for my taste test here of the Lobster Crab Stuffed Flounder here at Brian's Landing. Those of you that know me know that I typically travel down south to get stuffed flounder. So let's see what we got here. Get everything. You can taste the lemon too. You get it. See, if you make a good stuffing, that's what does it. You can put it on any fish. All right, chef. We're gonna get one more bite. Looks like I don't have to go down south when I want my stuffed flounder. There you go, folks. Come and get it right here at Brian's Landing, 6523 East Seneca Turnpike in Jamesville, New York. This is one of the top sellers, and I know why. Chef, thanks, sir.
Thank you.
We'll talk with you all soon. For Broadcasting at Brian's, I'm Dan Tortora, and that's Chef Tom McNerney. Come and see him and the team here. We got some work to do on this.